Hello everyone. Today I am here with the second video of banking chapter. In the first video, we have discussed what is banking and we started doing the sums from R S Aggarwal. Today we will continue doing the sums from R S Aggarwal. So you can pause the video, you can do the sum along with me and you can get your answer checked from here. So my name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching your favorite channel Arpita Classes. Let's get started. So the third sum from R S Aggarwal. Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a bank's recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, find the amount she gets on maturity. Okay. So let us write down the information given in this question. First is rupees 200 per month, which is taken as your P, rupees 200 for 36 months, which is the period should be denoted by N. 36 months, it is already given in months, so we don't have to do anything. And the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum. So rate of interest is 11% per annum. So this information is given. You need to find out the amount she gets on maturity. That means the MV we have to find out. So first of all, you can pause the video now and you can do the sums. First of all, we have to write down the formula. As I mentioned in the last video, always you have to write down the formula. So MV is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. This is the formula for the maturity value. Every time write down the formula so that you can memorize it nicely. Okay, now let us put the values here. P is 200 into 36 plus 200 into 36 into 36 plus 1, that's 37, divided by 2 into 12 into 11 upon 100. Now here 36 into 2, that's 7200 plus. Cancel it out as much as it possible. 0000 cancels. 12, 3, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So here you get 3 into 37 into 11. So 7200 plus. So here we need to multiply 3 into 11, that's 33. 33 into 37. Let us do it here. 37 into 33. 1221. Yes, so 1221. So after adding it with 7200, we get rupees 8421. So rupees 8421 is the maturity value Kiran gets after 36 months. This is the answer for this particular question. I think by this time you are all comfortable. You understood how to do the sums. Now let us proceed to the fourth question of R S Aggarwal. Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposits rupees 600 per month. Cumulative bank account is the other name for recurring deposit. For a period of 4 years, if he gets rupees 5880 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. Now this sum is little different. Let us first write down what all information given here. 600 per month is your P, rupees 600. Period of 4 years, N is equal to 4 years. The time has to be converted into months, that is 48 months. If we get rupees 5880 as the interest, so here interest I is equal to rupees 5880 at the time of maturity. Okay, so this all information is given. You need to find out the rate percentage. Okay, so here we need to write down the formula for only interest because the interest is given here, not the maturity value. So we'll put the formula for interest, which is P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. This is the formula for the interest. So interest is given, put it here. P is 600, n is 48 into n plus 1, sorry, here the bracket will be here, 49 divided by 2 into 12, r we do not know, upon 100. Now let us calculate this. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 12, 4, 48, 2, 2. So getting 5880 is equal to 6 into 2 into 49 into r. So r would be equal to 5880 divided by 6 into 2 into 49. Okay, let us calculate this. 2 and this will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 9, 2 4 0. Again 2 3, 2 1, 4 7 0. We go by 3, 3 4 12 9 0 49 and this is 10. So we are getting r is equal to 10% per annum. Let us start with the next sum. Question number 5 says, David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So let us write down the information given. You can pause the video and you can do the sum on your own and check the answer after you are done. Okay. So rupees 300 is deposited per month, which is taken as P, rupees 300 for 2 years. N is equal to 2 years. So that is 24 months. Time period is always taken in months, remember. If we received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, that means this is our maturity value, rupees 7725, you should write here rupees, write down rupees, okay, and find the rate of interest. So you need to find out rate percentage is equal to what. Write down the formula. MV is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1, 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Maturity value is given 7725. Put it here. 7725 is equal to 300 into 24 plus 300 into 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R we do not know upon 100. So here 0, 0, 0, 0 first will cancel. 12, 2, 24, 24 gets cancelled. So 7725 is equal to 24, 3 is 7200 plus 24 into 3 you get 75 R. Okay, now get 7200 this side. So it's 7725 minus 7200 is 75 R. Subtract this. 7725 minus 7200 will give you 525. Okay. So 525 is equal to 75 R, or R is equal to 525 upon 75. Now let us cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5, 5, okay, 5. And this is 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 5, 15, 5, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 7. So R is coming 7% per. So let us proceed to the next sum. Question number 6. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month. So let us take P as rupees 2500 for 2 years. N would be 2 years, that is 24 months. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67500. So this is the maturity value, rupees 67500. Find the total interest earned. So you have to find out the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta and the rate of interest per annum. So that is R percentage. These two things we need to find out. So let us start. As it is, you can pause the question and you can pause the video and do the question on your own. Maturity value is P into N plus P into N plus 1, 2 into 12, R upon 100. So maturity value is given, put it here, 67500. P is 2500 into 24 plus 2500 into 24 into 25, 2 into 12, R we do not know, upon 100. Here 25 into 24 we have to do, so let us do this. 25 into 24, 600. Okay, so 600 and another 2 zeros, 60,000 plus, cancel it out, 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled, 12 to 24. So it is here 25 into 25 into R, 67500. Get 60,000 this side, 67500 minus 60,000 will give you 25 into 25 R. I am not multiplying this because as it is going to cancel in the next day. This if you subtract, you will be getting 7500 is equal to 25 into 25 into R. So R would be equal to 7500 divided by 25 into 25. If you want, you can multiply, but basically I am not multiplying because it is going to cancel out here. 25, 300, 55, 60, 12. So R is coming 12% per annum. So we have completed 6 questions today from R S Aggarwal. In the next video, we will be coming up with the next questions from this book and we will complete the chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned.